competitors. Cheetah on the hunt. The cats are approaching from downwind of the nervous herd. Lithe and long-legged, the cheetahs move closer with little attempt at concealment. Soon the sharp-eyed springbuck will see the approaching hunters. Then the swift cats will rely on their great speed to catch their prey. The bushman can only wait and watch as the cheetahs bolt for the herd. Though the cheetah is faster, the springbuck has greater endurance, and the cats must strike quickly. The bushmen are envious of the swift cats, able to run down an animal the men must often track for days. The cat has picked his quarry, and with a final sprint, closes the gap. Now the bushmen abandon their pursuit of the fleeing herd and move instead to the two cheetahs and their catch. The big cats will not easily give up their hard-won prize, but the bushmen intend to take it. Though they have no real defense against possible attack, the bushmen challenge their fellow rulers of this desolate land. The men know that as long as they show no fear, the cats are unlikely to charge. Though they are enraged at having their prey stolen, the cheetahs will not call the bushman's bluff. Finally, the cheetahs concede the springbuck to the bushman. The walk back